Come test drive this 2013 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include heated front seats, one-touch window functionality, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.